Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Graphs like this look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by filtering the X range and checking the residuals. Let's break this down right now. First, look at the horizontal axis for the lead level in the wild. We need points where the predicted lab level is between 20 and 40, which is our target range. Next, we look for a positive residual. This means the observed lab level must be higher than the regression line. Point C is the only one sitting clearly above it. Finally, we verify point C. It falls within our X range and sits above the regression line, satisfying both conditions perfectly. Points A and B fail and D is below. Nailed it! Scan the code. You could learn better with Savi. Don't ignore the X-axis or misread residuals. Always check the X range and above the line.